The truck is moving! Oh no! We are in big trouble! You are probably wondering how we got into this mess. That's not enough. We still need more money. I really want this space Lego set. And I want the giant unicorn. Let's earn the money ourselves. Yeah, we can do it. What job can we do? We just need one good chance.
Hey kids, looking for work?
Yes, sir. Whoa!
If you clean this truck, I will pay you both.
It looks scary. We can do this. Ready? Ready! This thing is so heavy. You can do it, Oliver. Oliver! Wow, it's turning shiny. We're doing it. My secret recipe.
Lily! That's too much foam!
It's beautiful. We are the cleaning team. Bubble power! I made the biggest bubble mountain ever! Lily? I think we made too much foam. We are almost done. Lily, no! Oops. It's everywhere! Turn it off! Turn it off! Ow! The floor is too slippery! Ah! Ah! The truck is moving by itself! We only have 3 minutes! We have to stop it! We have to stop it! The bubbles are too big! Keep moving! Where is the stop button? Maybe one of those. Huh? I have an idea. It's working! I found it! Pull it, Lily! Stop! We did it. That was scary. But we stopped it.
What happened here?
We accidentally pressed the wrong button. It was me. Aren't you angry?
This is the craziest car wash mess I've ever seen. You two worked hard.
Really?
And you saved my truck.
ourselves. We looked so funny. I couldn't even see. We really did it. Our first job. Look, the toy store. The toy store. Let's go. It's so big. And look at the spaceship. Let's see. We can only buy one. It's okay. You should get your dream first. No. You wanted this more. Really? Thank you, Oliver. We both worked hard for this. This is the best day ever, and the yummiest.
You're home late.
Then the bubbles went boom!
Oh my goodness!
It's almost finished. It looks amazing. Tea for Mr. Unicorn.
Don't spill the tea.
They worked so hard today.
Whoa!
It works.
We hope you had fun with us. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment, and subscribe.